Montague County in west central Georgia, northeastern Chattahoochee County in west central Georgia, southwestern Talbot County in west central Georgia, southeastern Harris County in west central Georgia.
No, but that storm. Yeah.
At 6:27 p.m. Eastern
No, but it
Daylight
just
Time,
went tornado
a
warning.
severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Kenwood, Oregon, 7 miles east of Columbus, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Well, that's
Impact,
terrifying.
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs,
Okay.
windows, and vehicles will occur.
That ramped up
Tree
real
damage
quick.
is likely. Locations impacted include Waverly Hall, North Fort Benning, Eupatoy, Ellerslie, Flat Rock, Box Springs, Kenwood, Midland, Juniper, Vista Terrace, Bogville, and Olive Branch. Take cover now.
Scary.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.